Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. You are watching Motivated Investing, and now let's get in this video. For the first time in chess history, Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen has been awarded an NFT trophy for winning an international chess tournament, the Meltwater Champions Chess Tour. In addition to eternally preserve the game's most defining moments, the tournament produced several NFT awards and memorabilia. Carlsen expressed his gratitude to the Bitcoin ecosystem for allowing virtual chess competitions to take place. The chess champion mentioned MCCT's recent collaboration with FTX, which allowed professional chess players to fight for a prize pool of 2.1825 Bitcoin. NFTs allow the chess community to commemorate significant events while also rewarding those who have already committed so much work in the game's development. This is only getting started with Chess Champs, and I'm excited to watch how it develops, Carlsen added. On the Ethereum blockchain, Chess Champs issued two identical editions of the Champions Trophy NFT, which Carlsen digitally signed after he won the competition. The second NFT trophy was auctioned off for 6.88 Ether, around $24,700 at the time. However, according to a source, after the deadline, the bidding for the NFT trophy increased to 11 Ether. According to Carlsen, it's an honor to share the trophy with such a dedicated supporter. It'll be exciting to play a match with him and meet him at the Champions Chess Tour final next season. NFTs dedicated to various chess pieces on the blockchain are also collectibles. NFT marketplaces provide new ground for innovation as the NFT boom continues to bridge the gap between sports and digital entertainment. Sorare, a marketplace for NFT trading cards, has raised $680 million in Series B funding spearheaded by Japanese finance giant SoftBank, valuing the company at $4.3 billion. The company wants to utilize the funds to substantially accelerate the growth of women's sports. Speaking to Cointelegraph, Carlsen shared his appreciation of the cryptocurrency ecosystem for supporting digital chess tournaments. The chess champion cited MCCT's current partnership with FTX crypto exchange that allowed skilled chess gamers to compete for a prize fund of 21825 Bitcoin. Chess Champs created two identical versions of Champions Trophy non-fungible token on the Ethereum blockchain. The collection also includes NFTs dedicated to different characters on the blockchain. NFTs help the chess community celebrate great moments and possibly also reward those that have already invested so much time in growing the game. With Chess Champs, this is just getting started, and I look forward to seeing it evolve, Carlsen mentioned. Chess Champs minted two similar editions of the Champions Trophy NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. Collectibles additionally embody NFTs devoted to varied chess items on the blockchain. As the NFT increase continues to bridge the hole between sports activities and digital leisure, NFT marketplaces supply new floor for innovation. Sorare, a market for NFT buying and selling playing cards, attained a $4.3 billion valuation after elevating $680 million in Series B funding led by Japanese fintech big SoftBank. As Cointelegraph reported, the corporate plans to make use of this funding to significantly accelerate the development of women's sports. Moreover, Sorare has additionally secured partnerships with La Liga Soccer League and plans to onboard top-tier soccer groups because it diversifies its NFT-based portfolio choices to different fantasy sports activities. The current world chess champion, Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen, has been awarded the first ever NFT trophy in international chess after winning the virtual Meltwater Champions Chess Tour. The NFT award came in addition to the $1.5 million prize money. This came as a result of MCCT's recent partnership with the FTX crypto exchange. Carlsen praised this collaboration, saying that the crypto and NFT industry allows the chess community to celebrate significant moments with such great rewards. While Carlsen's name is undoubtedly engraved on the history books of chess with this win, are NFTs the future of sports? Since earlier in the year, there has been a surge of NFT and crypto involvement in major sports events and tournaments. Crypto exchanges have found excellent marketing value in partnering with sports competitions. In June, Chinese blockchain company AntChain became the official partner of the Euro 2020, a contest that saw the first ever NFT trophy awarded in football's history. Cristiano Ronaldo won the NFT as the competition's top scorer. It was indeed a unique addition to his never-ending list of first ever awards and records. However, football wasn't the only popular sport to jump on the NFT train this year. Formula One also signed a sponsorship deal worth $100 with the Hong Kong-based exchange Crypto.com. Soon after the collaboration, F1 team Aston Martin sold over $2 million worth of NFTs on Crypto.com. The NFL has also joined the NFT hype by partnering with Dapper Labs to create exclusive digital highlight NFTs. Several teams like the New York Giants have been signing sponsorship deals with new cryptocurrency platforms, so we might be seeing NFT trophies being introduced in the NFL very soon. Over $350 million on sports partnerships. The popular crypto exchange platform FTX has spent over $350 million on sports partnerships alone. FTX's NFT marketplace is centered on selling only sports and entertainment tokens and will include brands from film, television, music, gaming, esports, culinary, lifestyle, and charity industries. NFT has undoubtedly accelerated mainstream crypto adoption in the sports industry. Collectibles were always a big part of sports, and the trend has continued to the digital era thanks to NFT. Soon, we might be seeing a new era in sports, where crypto takes over fiat currencies, and prize money becomes prize coins. It might sound a little dreamy, but all the recent collaborations and deals suggest that we might be headed in that direction. Sales of digital collectibles known as non-fungible tokens have fallen dramatically in the last few weeks in September. It marks a significant reversal from the first quarter of 2021, which saw $2 billion in total sales of NFTs. Over the last 7-day period, the sales volume on OpenSea dropped by almost 50% to $792 million from a pool of 156,811 traders. Something is brewing, but what is it? NFT investing is like playing a game of chess, as the non-fungible token boom continues to bridge the gap between sports and digital entertainment. The NFT marketplaces offer new platforms for innovations. This is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the future updates. See you till the next video. Thank you for watching.